Notice the words we add in conversations to introduce a question. So, with falling intonation, is a way to make a question seem less direct.
So, are you from Seattle? So, do you work here? So, you're from London?
We also use so to change the topic or move on to the next thing.
So, what should we do next? So, should we get back to work?
When we need to explain something a bit or introduce something unexpected, we might say, well.
Do you work here? Yes. Well, I just started. Are you from Seattle? Well, I've lived here for about 5 years. I'm actually from Chicago.
We also use well to show that we're thinking something over or to express hesitation. And we use it to begin to end a conversation.
Well, thanks for your input. Well, it was nice to meet you.
When you answer a question, you can throw the question back to the speaker with, how about you?
I work for SQL Electronics. How about you? Oh, I'm with RDX Systems in Toronto.
Write so, well, oh, or how about you in the conversations. Here is a predict activity. What do you predict the speaker will say? Look at this conversation. Some parts are missing. What are the missing words? You have 3 seconds to say the words to yourself, then you will hear possibilities.
So, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Mexico City. How about you?
Are you from this area?
Well, no, I'm actually from Mexico.
So, what company do you work for?
Starbucks. How about you?
I teach at the university. So, have you been here very long?
Oh, about 10 years.
Well, there's my friend. I should go.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
Yes, you too.